Hi, I'm Matt Heisner from Nedap. I'm here to talk today about our latest offering into our suite of sensors, the SmartTag Ear. We've taken our feedback from our customers who wanted other options on how to monitor their cows. So Nedap has developed a long-lasting sensor that goes in the cow's ear that has the same technology as our neck tag, and it's built into a smaller, compact, long-lasting ear tag to help monitor your animals. In addition, the installation is easy and efficient. By pairing this with Nedap Now, our cloud-based software that allows you to access your data from anywhere, and by having unlimited data capacity, we can look at an entire cow's lifetime to ensure we're managing her correctly and identifying problems that maybe we see only at certain parts of her lactation. Join Nedap in building your farm of the future.